Laughter is the sound of joyful breathing. That's it. Like, when you talk, it's just breath and sound, usually, and thinking. Laughter is breath and sound and no thinking. Laughter is the sound of joyful breathing. When you understand this, and that you have this infinite laughter supply always within you, you can just take a deep breath. And the laughter's just there, just waiting to be allowed out. And when you live with this idea that laughter is the sound of joyful breathing, and you can laugh anytime, anywhere, and laughter is giving you health and happiness and a positive influence on people around you, laughter's shining your inner light on all these gifts you've got that you don't always see.